Okay, I want to talk about this bed frame. It's got these wood accents and then the black metal here. We put some styrofoam around the legs and zip tied it so that if you ever hit your foot on here, you stub your toe and you're gonna be fine. But you've got these black metal frames here. I'll try to see if I can show you under. That's basically what it looks like under. You've got the supports in the middle there. And just like that. So that's kind of what the side looks like. And then the headboard is up here, which is really nice. Got this nice wood ledge here, and then got these plug-in ports here, which is really great. So pretty easy to assemble, not too tough. Kind of minimalist, but just a little something that looks nice. Would definitely recommend.